Hi there, students. A schmuck. Schmuck. A schmuck is American slang. It's an idiot, a stupid person, somebody who's silly. Yeah, I think her husband is such a schmuck. Yeah, he's such an idiot. I was a schmuck to do that. Yeah? What do you take me for? You think I'm a schmuck? Do you think I'm an idiot? Do you think I'm a moron? Do you think I'm foolish? Okay, so a schmuck, a clumsy, stupid person, an oaf, yeah, an imbecile, an ass, a fool, an idiot, a jackass, a moron, a nincompoop, a ninny, a nitwit, a simpleton, yeah, I'm soft in the head, a cretin, yeah. Okay, also a schmo as well is another good word. Okay, so a schmuck, an idiot, somebody who's stupid. I was such a schmuck to lend him that money because he never pays me back. Yeah, he always just borrows money and promises to repay it, but I was a schmuck to lend it to him. I should have remembered. A foolish, contemptible person. Yeah, I was a real schmuck to fall for that trick. I shouldn't have fallen for what he said. Yeah, he's always trying to convince me. I was just so dumb. Yeah. Okay. I'm just a normal schmuck who tries to fix mistakes as they happen. I'm not very good at being proactive. Yeah. It always seems that we have some new schmuck as our boss. I think my boss is a real schmuck. Okay, formality. This is informal and it's American. This is actually Yiddish. As to origin and a word of warning, so if you use this word with elderly Jewish people, they might be a little bit upset about it. So just in that case, I would recommend holding it back. Schmuck is actually a Yiddish word for penis. Yeah. So it comes from Yiddish, a Schmock, the penis. But I found a really good piece of etymology with this one as well. I think, yeah, an old Polish word for a snake, yeah, which I thought was quite good as well. Okay, so a schmuck, an idiot, yeah? Somebody who's just a total moron. They don't know what they're doing. They're an imbecile. They're soft in the head. So I guess that's probably enough. I'd be a schmuck to carry on. Don't be a schmuck. Do it now, yeah? Don't wait till tomorrow. Do it while the opportunity's here. Don't be an idiot. Don't be a schmuck. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Schmuck.